Living on Mars sounds exciting. A new world, a fresh beginning, the next big step for humanity. But the reality is far harsher than that idea. Mars isn't another Earth. It's one of the most hostile places a human could ever try to survive in. And the danger starts right under your feet. The surface of Mars isn't just dusty. That dust is actually toxic. It's filled with chemicals called perchlorates, which are basically like industrial-strength bleach. On Earth, we use them in rocket fuel. On Mars, they're everywhere. They stick to your suit, settle inside your living space, and slowly contaminate the air and water. It's not an immediate threat, but more like a slow poisoning that never stops. Even if you're inside a sealed habitat, you're constantly fighting against that contamination. And outside, it gets worse. Mars experiences massive dust storms that can cover the entire planet for months. These storms don't just block sunlight, they also charge the air with static electricity. The dust becomes reactive and coats everything. You're not just walking on Mars, you're moving through an environment your body was never designed to handle. Then there's gravity. Mars has only about 38 of Earth's gravity. At first, it might feel fun, almost like having a superpower. But your body depends on gravity more than you realize. Without it, your heart doesn't have to work as hard, so it begins to shrink. Your bones start to weaken because they're no longer under constant pressure. Over time, your body literally starts breaking itself down, losing bone density and causing serious health issues. The most disturbing changes happen in your brain. Without gravity pulling fluids downward, they shift toward your head. This creates pressure inside your skull, affecting your vision and even changing the shape of your brain. Astronauts already experience this in space, and on Mars it could become a long-term problem. You wouldn't just be living there, you'd slowly be deteriorating. Radiation is another major threat. Earth is protected by a magnetic field and a thick atmosphere, but Mars has neither. Harmful cosmic radiation can reach the surface easily, passing through your body and damaging your cells and DNA. Over time, this greatly increases the risk of cancer. That's why most serious plans involve living underground, not for comfort, but simply to survive. The temperature doesn't help either. Mars is extremely cold and unpredictable. During the day, it might reach freezing, but at night, it can drop to around -100 degrees Celsius. These extreme changes put constant stress on equipment and life support systems. And if something fails, there's no quick help coming. Mars is incredibly far from Earth. Communication alone can take up to 20 minutes one way. In an emergency, that delay could be the difference between life and death. You'd truly be on your own. And then there's the mental side. Life on Earth is full of variety, color, sound, and change. On Mars, everything is the same. Red landscapes, gray interiors, the same small group of people, and the constant hum of machines. Over time, that lack of stimulation can affect your mind in ways we're only beginning to understand. Even today, bringing back a few samples from Mars is a complex and expensive challenge. If returning a small rock is that difficult, bringing humans back safely is an even bigger question. One day, humans might step onto Mars and stay there. But it's important to understand what that really means. Mars isn't a new home, at least not yet. It's a place that pushes the human body and mind to their absolute limits. So the real question isn't just whether we can reach Mars, it's whether we can truly live there. And right now, the answer is still uncertain.